All right, welcome back to another PMD AI highlight. And today we're looking at Gmail automation here that checks your Gmail account for important emails that need to be actioned or somebody needs to take a look at and possibly reply back and gives a suggestion of possible replies. And also does a few other things like sending a Discord message, Google Task, and also replying back to that initial email. So let's go ahead and dive in here. So initially, you go ahead and connect your Gmail account here, which one you want to kind of monitor, and then OpenAI will go ahead and take a look at those emails, and then review which ones that need actions. And then once it figures out which ones do need actions, it'll go ahead and send the data over, and it'll go ahead and start creating a Notion item. Then it'll go ahead and send a message to whatever channel that you have, and also whatever Google Task account that you have create it, or go ahead and create a task for you to view that actionable items, and also create an email to send back to to the sender of that email saying that we received their email. We'll reply back shortly. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this works. So with this, I just crafted an email just saying, hi, I wanted to know if you still have a spot left for the January 15, 2024 travel webinar. I wanted to know if I can be a part of the panel. Thanks. Okay, so we'll go ahead and send this. So it hasn't been received in here yet, so we'll wait for the new one to be received. So we'll go ahead and run this right now. We'll see if the email has actually been sent here. All right, as you can see, the email was sent, so it's starting to work on it. So we'll wait for it to kind of finish up. So as you can see, it did go ahead and create a Notion item here. And if we go to Notion here, we should be able to see it here, travel webinar inquiry. And then action required, confirm availability and respond to panel inquiry. So yeah, that's the same email that we sent. And then over here, obviously it says action. And then when somebody comes in here, they can go ahead, once they've picked up that task, they can go ahead and put it in progress. And then once they've responded back to the client, they can go ahead and move it to done. What it also did was I did create a Google Task here. And also, as we can see, it did go ahead and draft a new email that it did send to the sender here. So looks like the response was, dear, that's obviously me. Thank you for reaching out to us. We did inquiry about the availability for a spot on January 15, 2024 travel webinar. We have received your email and want to assure you that your message is important to us. A member of our team will review your request and provide a detailed response within the next 24 hours. So you can see that's how this automation works. Here's just, again, the power of, automating your emails, and can save you a lot of time here and money. So yeah, reach out to us if you have questions how we can do this for you. Again, thanks for joining us for another PMD AI highlights.